It's time for some spring cleaning. Let's clean up your MacBook to keep it working properly. We'll look for your Downloads folder first. You can find that in Finder. Click on Downloads on the left-hand side. Let's delete anything you don't need from your Downloads folder. You can select multiple files at once by holding down your Command button and selecting the files at the same time. Let's select a few and drag them to the trash can. If I want to select all of the files in my downloads, I can press Command A. This will select all of the files and then I'll drag them to the trash. Now I have a clean downloads folder. Just like at home or in my classroom, it's also important to empty the trash can. Let's check out what's in my trash. Wow, it's pretty full. I'll press the Empty button in the upper right-hand corner. I need to be sure that I never want to access these files again, because once I empty the trash, I can't come back to them. There we go, I've taken out the trash. Next, I'll clean up Photo Booth. I've taken lots of photos in Photo Booth to hand in work over the course of the year. You can see my photos and videos lined up at the bottom of my screen. I'll click on each photo and video to delete them from my computer. There we go. Let's see if I can delete any photos from the Photo app as well. I'll select a picture that I'm ready to delete. I'll click on it with 2 fingers to get a secondary drop-down menu. Then I'll select Delete Photo. I can also delete several photos at once by holding down my Command key and selecting several photos. You may not realize that every time you take part in a Zoom or WebEx meeting, your MacBook automatically saves the chat. You can head to Finder to find these. Click on Documents on the left-hand side and you'll see a Zoom and a WebEx folder. You can see that my Zoom and WebEx folders are empty right now. It's a good idea to empty these chats out periodically so that your MacBook doesn't get too cluttered. The last thing that we'll clean up today is my messy desktop. I'll perform a 2-finger click to create a new folder on my desktop. I'm going to name this one Reading. I'll create more folders for my math work, for my science, and any other work that I'd like to organize. If there are any files on my desktop that I don't need, I can drag them to the trash. Otherwise, I'll organize my work by putting them in the appropriate folder. Great work! Your MacBook is cleaned up and ready for summer. Don't forget to empty the trash one more time and have a great summer vacation.